everyone, I'm Mavelin Astorga from Leyte Normal University, Tacloban City. So this is a course requirement of our building and enhancing new literacies across the curriculum. So in this video, we're about to show you the scientific nature and origin of coronavirus or COVID-19. COVID-19 or COVID-19 is a highly transmittable and pathogenic viral infection caused by severe acute respiratory syndrome, coronavirus 2 or SARS-CoV-2, which emerged in Wuhan, China, and spread around the world. Analysis revealed that SARS-CoV-2 is phylogenetically related to severe acute respiratory syndrome-like bat viruses. Therefore, bats could be the possible primary reservoir. So, according to experts, maaring paniki or bats ang pinagmulan ng nasabing virus. Intermediate source of origin and transfer to human is not yet known. However, the rapid human-to-human transfer has been confirmed widely. So, ang mabilis na pagkalat ng virus na ito ay dahil talaga sa human-to-human contact. Example na lang ang pagkikipag-usap at paghawak ng kahit na ano. And there is no clinically approved antiviral drug or vaccines available to used against this kind of virus. So wala pa hanggang ngayon gamot para sa virus na ito. The analysis of public genome sequence data from SARS-CoV-2 and related viruses found no evidence that the virus was made in a laboratory or otherwise engineered. So, walang basihan or walang ebidensya na ang virus na ito ay gawa lamang ng isang tao. Comparing the available genome sequence data for known coronavirus strains, we can firmly determine that SARS-CoV-2 is originated through natural processes according to Dr. Christian Andersen. He is an associate professor of immunology and microbiology in Scripps Research and corresponding author of the paper. Coronaviruses are a large family of viruses that can cause illnesses ranging widely in severity. So, the first known severe illness caused by coronavirus emerged in 2003, severe acute respiratory syndrome or SARS epidemic in China. The second outbreak of severe illness began in 2012 in Saudi Arabia with the Middle East Respiratory Syndrome or MERS. On December 31 of last year, Chinese authorities alerted the World Health Organization of an outbreak of a novel strain of coronavirus causing severe illness, which was subsequently named SARS-CoV. As of February 20, 2020, nearly 167,500 COVID-19 cases have been documented, although many more mild cases have likely gone underdiagnosed. COVID-19 affects different people in different ways. Most infected people will develop mild to moderate symptoms. Common symptoms are fever, tiredness, and dry cough. Some people may experience aches and pains, nasal congestion, runny nose, sore throat, and diarrhea. Ng virus nito, kinakailangan natin na first, stay at home as much as we can. Huwag lalabas ng bahay kung hindi naman kinakailangan. Second is, keep a safe distance. Huwag makipag-contact sa ibang tao. And then, the third one is, wash your hands often. So, magugas ng kamay gamit ang sabon at tubig. The fourth one is cover your cough. So, takpan ang bibig kung babahin or magsuot lamang ng face mask. And then lastly is, if you are sick, call the doctor and magpa-check up habang maaga pa.